Alright, so today we are going to walk you through how to extend and retract the axles on our Genie S-125 for our rental fleet. First thing we're going to do is go to the lower panel, make sure our emergency stop is out, and then turn the key up to the platform. Then we will hop in the basket and show you guys how to extend and retract the axles. Alright, so now we're up in the platform. We're going to show you all the features on the 125 up here. So first thing we're going to do is pull out the emergency stop. Then I'm going to go over the push buttons here. Whenever you start or stop a Genie boom, you need to make sure your foot is off the foot pedal, per the instructions, right on top of the foot pedal covering. Here in our 125, we have 4 steering select modes. You have steering on the blue triangle end of the machine, steering on the yellow triangle end of the machine, crab steer, and round steer. Then above that we have our engine idle select. Note on this large machine, the 125, you only get high speed drive if you're stowed and if you are in low engine idle when the axles are retracted. So you can see right now on our machine we have the axles retracted and we are in low engine idle. So we're going to go ahead and start the machine. And then in order to extend the axles out for use, what we're going to do, you have 2 buttons here, so you can see they're all the way retracted. This is the axle extend button. And then you need to make sure that you're driving in the same direction while you continue to extend them, and that only your front steer wheels are enabled. So you can see we have our light right here. We're going to hold this button and then drive slowly forward using just your drive joystick with your foot on the pedal. So here we go. We're going to start moving forward, nice and slow, and while we're moving forward we will hold down the button for axle extend. And it does take a little bit here, so just be patient, slow and steady gets the axles out. And just make sure you're going in the same direction the whole time. See, I'm still holding the button, pushing the joystick forward. You can see now the right side is almost all the way out. And once those reach out, then the other side's going to start extending. And there we go. Alright, so once the axles are fully extended, you can stop driving. You'll see we go from a blinking yellow light on the axle extend to now a full solid yellow light, and this is going to enable all of our boom functions. In order to retract the axles for transport, or if you need to get through a tight area, we would just reverse the process, and again, make sure you keep moving in the same direction. The way the limit switches work on these, they open and close at the axle limits each direction. If you stop and start or change directions, that may cause issues, and you'll have to retract them all the way back in or extend them all the way out to restart the process.